Hey everyone! Want to create a request accept bot and customize it in your own way? Well, we've got you covered. WeegoTech brings you ChannelGuruBot, a bot that accepts join requests with custom messages, stores user data, and even creates buttons. Best of all, it's free! Let's dive in and see how you can set it up. How to set up ChannelGuruBot. 1. Go to Telegram and search for @ChannelGuruBot. 2. Click Start to begin. 3. Select Request Accept Features. 4. Tap on Add Channel. 5. Click the button below and tap on Add Channel again. 6. Select your channel that you want to add. Your channel has been successfully added. You can also choose your greeting message. You can either use the default greeting or customize your own. For this video, we'll customize the greeting message. How to customize your greeting message? 1. Tap on Enter Custom Greeting Messages. 2. Type your greeting message. 3. Tap Yes to confirm, and you're done. How to broadcast messages. 1. Tap on Broadcast Message. 2. Select the broadcast type. 3. Enter the number of users you want to broadcast to. 4. Type the message you want to broadcast. 5. Tap Yes to confirm, and you're all set. And that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.